Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is James, the Texas Mortgage Boss, and today I'm super excited to have Parrice with me. She is with Keller Realty, and today we're gonna discuss the top 5 reasons people love Houston. There's probably more than 5 reasons,
Definitely.
right? But Parrice is just gonna give us 5. So you go ahead, give us the top 5 reasons that people love Houston in New York.
Well, first of all, I just want to thank you so much
you.
for having me
My
with
pleasure.
you today. I absolutely love Houston. I am a Houston fan for life. One of the first things that drew me here to Houston was, number one, was the food.
Yes.
The food is crazy. There's so many unlimited options. The culture here in Houston is beautiful. Every corner you're gonna find something new to eat. You're gonna find somewhere for a date night. You're gonna find a new ice cream spot for your kids.
Yes.
There's food trucks by the dozens, and that is the number one reason to me on why Houston
It's a good
is
reason.
popping the way it is, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Another reason I mentioned kids is education.
Yeah.
Here in the Houston area, the education system is top tier for your children. The teachers are very well trained, and there's no limit on what your children can do. If there's going to be somebody who's going to motivate them to keep climbing with their educational goals in order for them to go to the best college as possible. So that's great. And plus the sporting system is great with the education system. Affordability is another big reason why people love Houston. I have a lot of friends from California and other areas, and they said when they come here to Houston and they see a home that is like probably listed for like $300 or $350, that's like $1 million house.
Absolutely.
Right? So you can't beat that with the square footage and the lot that you're on. I mean, you got room to have a pool built. You have room to have neighbors and friends over and host parties here, which we do love here in Houston. Barbecuing, crawfish. Hello, somebody. Right?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's just awesome. You're able to host. And so I think that's another great reason why people love Houston. Another reason is events. Every weekend, you can look on the news, you can look in your paper, you can look online, social media. Instagram is filled with events that are happening here in Houston. Big things are concerts. The Houston Rodeo that I am on the committee of. It's an amazing time all year long. The rodeo happens once a year, but besides that, there is a concert happening every weekend. New museums open up, pop-up places for you to take your children and your family. So, I mean, you can't beat it. And I have another reason. You want to hear it?
Let's go.
Okay, so it's employment.
Absolutely.
Right, okay. So we're talking about from the medical sector. We're talking about oil and gas. The opportunities are limitless on what you can do here. And so
I'm with you 100%.
Can you tell I'm a Houston fan?
Well, I am too.
Okay.
So everything that you went through is honestly five reasons why I love Houston as well, and why so many people are also coming to Houston. So again, we've got a lot more than 5.
Yes, we do.
We can be here all day, but for the sake of time, if you guys have additional questions about reasons why people love Houston, reasons why people are moving to Houston, right? Reach out to Parrice. She's a great resource. And what's the best way for people to reach you?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So my contact number is 281-818-0377. You can also email me at plepe, so it's PLEPE @kw.com. I also have an Instagram page. I'm also on TikTok and Facebook, and you can look for me under Houston Living _Parrice. You can also Google me too.
Absolutely. And you are very entertaining, so make sure you guys go check her out. She's very good on video. She does some great TikTok. So we appreciate you being here, and thank you guys for watching. For more information on why people love Houston, reach out to Parrice. She's a great resource, and we will catch you guys on the next show. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great day.
See you soon. Bye.